What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and yeah, we're back. And maybe this time we'll get it. What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I can't even talk right now. Today, we're giving an update and where we're at about 8 hours before the auction. It is late right now, but I am ready, and I have gone ahead and extended my time as far as where I was going to be and what am I doing in the event that we can win the green monster back. Currently, right now, at this time, the car is sitting at $18,300. $18,300. Now, at auction time last week, when we cut this similar video, we were at $17,900. So a difference of about $400 up now. Now, like I told you from the jump, we're sitting at, well, I'm willing to spend about 20 grand. I will possibly go over that depending on what I see, the movement in the bids that are going in on the car. And, like I said, depending on what this thing comes up as is going to really determine what I'm willing to do with it. You know what I'm saying? It really is gonna depend, but you guys can see it here, $18,300. Now, I hope we get it. I hope we get it back, because it would be such a satisfying video, especially considering everything that's happened with this car, to be able to drive that thing out of there, just to be like, yeah. And then, I really like some of the recommendations from you guys. Drive it to San Antonio, bust a burnout in the USA parking lot. I like that recommendation. I like taking it to Collision Works and doing figure eights in the parking lot. All of those sound good to me. Am I gonna do them? I mean, allegedly. So, there you have it. Quick update video. You guys are probably going to see this. I'm going to publish this over the evening so that you guys see it in the morning. And then we will be live in the auction as the car goes up. And I'll probably get that, guys, out for you around 11:30, 12 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow. So I'm going to try to, as soon as the auction's over, put that together, edit it, upload it, and then go get the car if we win. And then you'll probably get that video either later that evening or the next morning. It really depends on the schedule. And right now my schedule is nuts. I have sponsorship time that I have to get in with Amazon that I have been slacking on. And I have several hours of streams that I need to get in with Amazon. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know that, make sure to follow us on Amazon. Link in the description down below. I do live streams over there. We talk about products, phones, all kinds of crazy stuff. And I have to give a major shout out to the sponsor of today's video. You guys have been getting on to me about a jump pack this, jump pack that. Get a jump pack that's got a little bit more juice. We got one. And major shout out to Gulu. All right, the Jump Start Power Bank. Now, this thing has way more cold cranking amps than the other one that I have now from Noco. And this thing is just an absolute beast. And I haven't unboxed it, but I'll do that on a separate video. I'm going to do that probably over on Amazon. But major shout out to Gulu for sponsoring today's video and sending me this. I truly appreciate it. And I can't wait to get started using that bad boy on the yards when we get going. Anyways, if you like today's video and you like what I do, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see me win the green Monster back, give it a big thumbs up. And, you know, who knows? Maybe I'll see like 1,000 thumbs up on this video as we're going for auction and I end up bidding a little bit more money. I don't know. I don't know. It's all about motivation, right? I guess if I know you guys really want to see this car back on the channel, maybe I'll go a little bit more than what I really want to pay for the car. I don't want to overpay though. I don't. I've got too many things. You know, I treated myself to a lot of cool stuff for Christmas, like a brand new fold. I've had one of these before. You guys have seen this one before, but this one's a little bit special. It's a little different. Custom engraving, all that good stuff. So I don't want to spend too much on the green Monster if I don't have to. Especially with the other, can I say that yet? I have another green vehicle coming soon for you guys. But anyways, that's going to do it for me. I will see you guys probably later today, later from the time that you guys see this video. So stay tuned. I appreciate all the love and support. Hope y'all had a very Merry Christmas, holiday, whatever it is that you celebrate. And I am looking forward to banging out the rest of this year the only way I know how, savagely.
Perfect.